How to install Intune Company Portal, company resources on the go. So just tap get and then you will just be able to install it. Set up your device to access your email devices, Wi-Fi and apps for work. Microsoft Intune helps organizations manage access to corporate apps, data and resources. Company Portal is the app that lets you as an employee of your company securely access those resources. Before you can use this app, make sure your IT admin has set up your work account. Your company must also have a subscription to Microsoft Intune. So this app helps you to do work tasks such as enroll a device to corporate resources, including Office, email, OneDrive. Overall, this is like an app built by Microsoft. You can quickly reset the password to your work account if you should forget it. Find apps that will help you with your daily tasks as provided by your company. View and manage all your enrolled devices. Get help from your IT department with easy to find contact information. So that's basically the idea of the app.